Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of threads. We click on settings. Here in this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Or above you can search about threads and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. And you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. If it's not working with you, then you can update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.